name is Garrett McAdam. This is my Laboratory 6 exercise. We'll be going over the digestive, urinary, and reproductive systems of the fetal pig. Today is December 20th, and that is a Sunday. So, jumping right in, we have this bamboo stick that is exposing and showing our esophagus right behind the trachea. Coming down, we have the liver right here, and the gallbladder would be on here as well, right about here, but it looks like it's degraded a little bit. Under the liver, we have the stomach right down there. After the stomach, we have the duodenum that is connected right in there, pulling it aside. Can't really get my finger in there, but you see it in the center. After that, we have the jejunum, which will be down here, followed by the ileum down here. Next, we have the pancreas. Can't really get a good look at it in here, but it'd be down in here. And next, we have the spleen. The spleen is tucked in behind the stomach, spleen right in there. And the large intestine on this guy, we have my little probe on the large intestine right there. Next, we hop into the urinary system. And first, we got the kidneys. We got one kidney here, and then the other kidney is right back there, center of the screen. With the kidneys, you have your adrenal gland that's right there, that guy. The ureters from there. I'm gonna try to pull this aside. You can see it right there. That leads and empties into the bladder. The bladder on the pig is a little bit different, or at least in the fetal pig. I'm gonna pull this little thing aside. It's his umbilical cord. Well, you got the urinary bladder right on there in the middle. After the urinary bladder, you have the urethra. That would come off here. I accidentally cut it when I was doing my prior experiments, as well as the penis. I cut that off as well, but I still got that penis right there. Hopping right into the internal kidneys, I used the actual big kidneys because these little ones were kind of difficult to work with. Still, you don't have good definition, but the intrarenal pelvis is this white space in here, and then the renal medullas would be in here and feed into the renal pelvis. And then this other space, you can kind of see a color differentiation here. On the outer part, you will get the outer cortex, so out here, and then you got the medullas in here that feed into the intrarenal pelvis. Now down to the reproductive system. This is a male pig. We have his scrotum right here, and I was able to expose his testes. You can kind of see the one here. Here's one testy. Here's his epididymis, and his penis is down here because I cut it off on accident earlier in my lab experiments. The spermatic cord would be right here, and the seminal vesicles would be off the spermatic cord right up in there, off the spermatic cord right behind the bladder. I hope you were able to see the stuff I was pointing out. It wasn't great, but I'm working with one hand, so appreciate your time. Thank you.